How to redeem Roblox codes on PC. So first, what you want to do is just open up your browser. Then once you are on your browser, you just need to search for roblox.com or go to the Roblox website. Once you're here on the website, here on the search bar, as you can see, the www.roblox.com/home. So you want to replace the home word to promo codes, just like so, just like that. So www.roblox.com/promo codes, then just tap on enter, wait for it to load. And here, as you can see, we're now on the Roblox codes page. And here you would want to put your code. So if you want to have your code, just put it right there. Of course, search for a verified code or a working code before you go here, so that you could just simply put it right there. So let's say this is my code or something. Then after I've put that code, I'm just gonna check this box and I just tap on redeem right here. And that's how you basically redeem your Roblox code on PC.